Hey everybody, welcome back to Mr. Anderson's Algebra 1 lessons, or Algebra 2 lessons, or any algebra lessons. Today we're going to take a look at how to solve a system of linear equations by graphing. And it looks to be like the one that we're going to be looking at is not in slope-intercept form. It's in standard form, where you have both variables on either side, and you're going to have to turn them into y equals mx plus b first, which is a little bit easier for you to graph. So I'm going to turn each of these into that, and then we're going to graph each point, or graph each line, and where they cross is the solution to both of the equations, giving them that solution. So what I would do first is I would start with this guy over here and go x minus 2y is equal to 4, and I will start by just isolating the y variable. So I'm going to minus the x over to each side. I'd have 2y is equal to negative x plus 4, and then I'm going to divide everything by negative 2, and that is going to give me y by itself. So the first equation is going to be 1/2 x minus 2. Okay, that's my first equation. Now the next one I'm going to have is 5x plus 2y equals 8. And again, I'm going to start by isolating the y. So I'm going to move the 5x over to each side with subtraction and inverse operations. I'm left with 2y is equal to negative 5x plus 8. And the same thing as last time, I'm going to divide by 2 to each side, to everything. And I'll find that y is equal to negative 5/2 x plus 4. And so I will have my two equations right here that I'm going to now graph, and I will have, I'm going to start with this one and start at negative 2 for my y-intercept, and I'm going to go up 1 and over 2 for my slope, 1 over 2, over 2, and there's my slope. I'm going to use my ruler to make my line, like so. So there's my first line, and the next one I got 4, so positive 4, and it looks like I go down 5 and over 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 2. Oh, that's convenient that that is where it lands. So I'm gonna draw my line there. And it looks like the solution to my two equations is this coordinate point right here, which is x equals 2, y equals negative 1. And so that is how you would solve a system of linear equations, not in y equals mx plus b. They're in standard form by graphing. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you on the next one.